So in the previous video recording or screencast, we were speaking about how to set up the trigger conditions. Next, we will be working with the fields that we want to extract from the message. Click on this extracted fields. Initially this screen is empty, but since we're working with the sample, ThinkAutomation already built this list for us. So let's see how that is done. Let's double click on one of them, order number. So what we're working with is, in the left part you have a multi-tab. In the right part you have a sample message body. You can basically cut and paste, that's the I guess it's an easiest way. And you have a message subject here. So we're calling this field that we are extracting, the name is order number. So we're basically clicking and we're searching for this particular value, for this particular field. And we're checking, here we see the two check marks. First one says start extracting from the last extract point. Meaning, let's say if this was the 10th field on the form, you will start commencing the after the 9th field. And this check means we are searching or extracting from the subject line, which means from here. Let's go to this particular look for expression. This is a regular expression. We're searching for order number. So the trigger will go ahead, find the subject, and we'll look for this particular regular expression, which is a literal order number. Click. So it will look for here, and what happens next is defined in the next tab called extract data. In this extract data, we see the until any of these characters. This specifies that, well, after you found the order number, start extracting until one of these characters. Alright, and suppose one of these characters is a white space. So that's how it finds the 986. So let's cancel this. Let's go back to it. I just want to see as a visual support. The ThinkAutomation lets you actually it highlights the field which this search condition evaluates to. In the same fashion, we continue to the next field, and I'm not going to go through all of these fields, but it's interesting how they find the phone number. For example, let's just pick this one. They give this field a variable name, phone, and again they start searching from the last extraction point. Again, this is the message body, and then they say look for the next equal sign. So somebody figured out that the fields can be easily found by first finding the equal sign. Okay, and what happens next? Let's look at the extract data conditions. They say extract the field until end of the line. So here are the ways you can extract the field until end of the line in this case, and you're cleaning and trimming the blanks, meaning it will only extract non-blank values, trailing and leading blanks. Alright? So now let's say we completed extracting all of the fields. What do we do with all of that information? We go to the trigger actions field. I will continue with this in the next screencast. Let me start that.